Start. Upon the two complainants, a notice was issued to the appellant, and upon the evidence adduced before him, the learned sessions judge made two orders, by one of which he called upon the appellant to furnish security of rupees 1500, and by another he issued a warning to the appellant holding that the issue of the said weekly Hindu dated 19/7/1954 contained objectionable matter within section 3 within bracket B. Feeling aggrieved by the two orders, the original respondent, that is the keeper and publisher, has filed two separate appeals. Stop. As these two appeals involve a common question, it will be convenient to dispose of them by a common judgment. Stop. The only question for decision in both the appeals is whether, as the state contains the article referred to above, falls within the language of section 3 within bracket B, or whether, as the appellant contains it, falls within explain 1 to section 3. Stop. It will, I think, be convenient first to set out the relevant provisions. Stop. Section 3 defines objectionable matter and provides that in this act the expression objectionable matter means any words, signs, or visible representations which are likely to promote feelings of enmity or hatred between different sections of the appeal of India. Stop. There are three explanations added to this section, two of which need be mentioned in this place. Stop. Explanation I is as follows: comments expressing this problem or criticism of any law or of any policy or administrative section of the government, action of the government with a view to obtain its alteration or redress by lawful means, and words pointing out with a view to their removal matters which are producing or have a tendency to produce feelings of enmity or hatred between different sections of the people of India, shall not be deemed to be objectionable matter within the meaning of this section. Stop. In judging whether any matter is objectionable matter under this act, the effect of the words, signs, or visible representations, and not the intention of the keeper of the press or the publisher of the newspaper or news sheet, as the case may be, shall be taken into account. Stop. In ascertaining the scope of section 3, two considerations arise. Stop. The first is the freedom of the press, and the other is the limits within which the freedom of the press may be allowed to be enjoyed. Stop. These two considerations are set out in the section and the explanations attached to the section. Stop. On the one hand, there is the freedom of the press, and on the other, there are limits within which the freedom of the press may be allowed to be enjoyed, and it is for the notice balancing of these two considerations that section 3 together with the explanations has been exacted. Stop. While the freedom of the press is a very important freedom, it has to be recognized that there are limits to the exercise of that freedom, and the limits within which that freedom is to be enjoyed are indicated in